My name is Dallas, just like the city, and I have been in flood control here in Irving for about 20 years. When we say flood, we're going to say bad, right? Right, real bad. The river would come up when it rained real bad, and it would run all this water back over here and flood out all this area. You have a really good flood control district, just in case. You're really lucky, just in case. Because a long time ago, somebody who's a lot smarter than me decided that we're gonna build a place called Valley Ranch, and we're gonna build a flood control district so that those people can live there. And so the great boys and girls in the second grade can go to school over there and be safe from floods. The levee is a big mound of dirt covered with grass, and it's got a little road on top. So now what do you think happens when it rains and the river level comes up?
It's just stuck.
It's stuck. It's stuck over there, right?
I think it's the pump station.
When it rains a whole lot, we pump the water over the top of the levee and into the river.
You guys are going to get to create your own flood control system.